We had an amazing day today here at the Cercle Clery. 135 people joined the event. I mean, it's amazing.
Today was intense. Like we had presentations, we had workshops, we had a lot of talks with our customers, with partners, with system integrators. So there's been really a bit of everything. What I enjoyed the most is during the workshops, we gave some problem statements around Shadow AI to our customers. And there were at least 4 different tables that on their workshop paper, what they did was putting Collibra in the middle as a solution for that. It wasn't prompted, I promise. They absolutely just came with it themselves. So that was really energizing and fulfilling for me that they see how the partnership with Collibra helps them solve not only their problems that they already had with data historically, but the future problems that they see they're affronting with AI.
It was great to see, as always, how the people on the stage were sharing their stories, how they're overcoming their data obstacles. Everybody has AI challenges, and in the workshops, they were figuring out how they can package those in data products, wrap them up in context to make the agents do their appropriate work. This is where you learn from your peers, through the good, bad, and ugly, how they've overcome all the obstacles and made their agents and context combine.